We've got some fresh new young talent doing some things that I know you haven't heard before.
1, 2, 3, listen.
STEAM stands for
Science, Technology,
Engineering,
Art and Design, and Math.
Space was my favorite thing from a very young age.
STEAM is important because it's all around us.
STEAM is important so that I can explore what I want to be when I grow up.
STEAM means I can be a neurologist when I grow up,
I can be a chemist,
teacher, or a lawyer.
STEAM means I can be an astronaut when I grow up if I want to.
STEAM teaches me to always ask questions, be curious. STEAM means my future is important.
My future is bold.
Exciting.
STEAM means that my future has endless possibilities and I can do anything.